Hey guys, I'm Shantae from naturalveganmama.com, where we're all about showing you how easy this vegan lifestyle can be. Well, today I actually just got home from work and I'm going to be making some falafel. Now, falafel can be super easy or you can make it complicated, but what I'm going to do, of course, is show you how to make it super easy. You need about a half a cup of scallion, 1 can of chickpeas, rinsed and drained, 1 teaspoon of tumeric, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of cumin, a tablespoon of dried parsley, about a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of sea salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of minced garlic, and the juice of 1 lemon. Add all of those ingredients into your food processor, and then you're gonna pulse that until all of the ingredients are combined, but you still have some noticeable pieces of the chickpeas. So this is what the mixture looks like once I'm done with that. It looks really good, it smells amazing, and I'm ready to start making my falafel balls. So what you're gonna do is just press the mixture together. You're not actually rolling it, but you're pressing it together almost like a little mini patty, but then rounding it out. So here you can see all of the falafel balls are ready. What I'm gonna do now is go ahead and start frying them in a pan. I like to use avocado oil because it can be heated super high and not burn. So I'm heating them on both sides, giving it like a nice golden brown color to both sides of the falafel, getting some of the edges as well. And then after that's done really quickly, I'm going to transfer them from the pan into a pan that's going to be going into the oven. And then on the parchment paper, they're going to nicely bake and turn into an even more golden brown color. And I'm going to bake them in the oven on 375 for about 20 minutes. So this is the result, guys. These are my super delicious, super easy falafel balls. I love making them when I don't have a lot of time, but I want to get that delicious taste. And I've just added a little bit of vegan ranch dressing, and I'm going to devour this delicious salad with my falafel balls. Hope you enjoy, and the recipe is down below in the description box.